How to make collages in PowerPoint. Click on Home and select any shapes you want to make a collage with. Select all shapes, press Ctrl X. Go to View, select Slide Master. Press Ctrl V and paste those shapes into a new slide. Right-click and rename that layout. Now to insert picture placeholder, go to Insert Placeholder, select Picture and select the shape. Then go to Shape Format. Select Merge Shapes and click Intersect. Now we have got our picture placeholder. Repeat the process for all shapes. Click on Close Master View, then right-click on the slide and choose the custom layout, Photo Collage. Now to insert pictures, select the picture placeholder, then go to Insert, select Pictures from Stock Images. To resize picture, right-click on the picture and select Crop option. Insert pictures for all shapes. To add background color, click on Format Background, add Gradient Fill. Also add shadows and outlines for a polished look. Tutorial done. Your collage is now ready. Subscribe now for more tips and hacks.